Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Thanks for coming back to my restaurant, aka my home kitchen. I'm really excited today because I was out at this Chinese restaurant recently and I asked for some sweet and sour soup. You guys like sweet and sour soup? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, I tried it and it was so off-putting that I had to come back and show you guys how to make authentic Taiwanese style suan la tang or hot and sour soup. Okay? Stay with me.
Hello and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen.
All right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take 6 cups of chicken stock and we're going to pour that into a large saucepan and bring it to a nice boil. Once we get that simmered up a little bit, we're also going to add in our first sauce mix. That's right. It's basically just a little bit of soy sauce. We got some salt and a pinch of sugar, and we're going to mix that in together. You can already see we've got that beautiful dark color starting to form. Bringing that to a boil, and then we are going to take these beautiful rehydrated dried wood ear mushrooms that we've sliced up into these little slivers, about 1/4 inch thick. Oh, they bring an amazing flavor to your stock, and they also taste perfect. You gotta have them. We're gonna go ahead and add in a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, a 1/4 carrot that we've julienned, and a 1/3 cup of bamboo shoots that you can get at pretty much any Asian supermarket. At this time, if you want to make this with a little bit of meat, you can slice up some of that wonderful pork or chicken and add that as well. After 3 minutes, we're going to add in a 1/3 block of tofu, which we've sliced into 1/4 inch slices, and we're going to let that simmer for 2 minutes, bringing us to a total of 5 minutes of cooking time. Bring that up to a boil. All right, now that we've got that boiling, we're going to take 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water, mix it together to make a slurry. This is going to give us that beautiful thickened soup that we love to see when we have hot and sour soup. Oh, the smell is amazing. Here we've got 5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of white pepper, some dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, all of which were mixed together and we're adding into our soup here. We're going to stir that in for another minute or 2 and let that thicken up and all those flavors combined. Now at this time I should have left the boiling soup before I added these 2 beaten eggs that I've added a 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar to. I think the temperature was just a little too low, and so the eggs didn't end up getting that beautiful silkiness that I like to see, kind of like what you see in egg drop. Here we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. We're going to mix that in, and that's going to bring around amazing flavor. And this is it, our beautiful soup. It's hot and sour, beautiful, tasty.
All right, family, let me tell you, this smells amazing. It's perfect. I think the eggs kind of curdled a little bit in the soup, but it didn't hurt the flavor. It didn't hurt the soup. It thickened it up a little bit. But usually I like to see little swims of egg as I go through, just kind of like egg drop soup. I think I had the soup a little bit too hot, but I'm telling you, the flavor has got to be on point because the smell is just amazing. Let me give this a try here. Oh, the first thing is the hot crunch from those wood ear mushrooms. Oh. Then the sour comes in softly. It's not like a really pungent sour like you would think. From all the vinegar that's in here, it really is very light. And oh, those mushrooms are great. The tofu just comes in and softens things up a little bit. Guys, you are gonna love this soup. Thanks for stopping by my kitchen. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Take care.
Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. For each and every one of you who have been sharing our recipes on your social media, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's obviously making a difference on our channel and we really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It lets you get a notification every time we have a new video come out. It's absolutely free and it helps our channel a lot.